All right, now let's take a start with IELTS speaking part 1. Do you often get up early in the morning?
Yes, I wake up early in the
I
morning.
often wake up.
I often wake up early in the morning, and I give I give I give enough time. Enough time. I like give enough time to get ready and have breakfast before I go to college. I go to college, and I do not.
Okay, just focus this thing. Do you often get up early in the morning? Yes, I often wake up early in the morning
Yes.
because I have to go to my college. My college starts at 7 a.m., which is quite early. So, in order to reach my college on time, I always get up early in the morning at around 6 o'clock. That's it.
Yes.
Okay, don't talk about the things after that. Just focus getting up early. Okay, what do you usually do when you get up early?
I usually I like to.
Listen, I usually offer my prayer whenever I get up early because we have five prayers. Being a Muslim, I have to offer five prayers. So in the morning, whenever I get up early, I often offer my prayer. Or you can
Yes.
say, what do you usually do when you get up early? Whenever I get up early, I drink a big glass of water because
Yes.
in the morning your stomach is empty, so whenever I wake up there is a big glass of water on my side table, so I drink a glass of water. Or what do you usually do when you get up early? I first brush my teeth when it can be anything.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. All right, do you get up early on weekends?
I on the weekend
On weekends I never get up early because, and then reasons, come on.
on weekend I does not get.
I don't.
I don't get up early. I was I late. I
Okay, this
get
is not
sleep.
appropriate answer. You need to come up with some ideas. Which morning do you like the best in a week? Like Monday morning, Sunday
Yes.
morning, Tuesday morning, like that.
I like Sunday. I
I
like
like Sunday
Sunday. The
morning.
Sunday morning the best. My father does not work on
On
Sunday.
Sunday, he is home.
He we are all home. We are all home. My mom cooks different varieties of dishes. Then I
Okay, so
spend
that
time
is
for.
why I like Sunday morning very much. Okay, just
Yes.
think about these things and keep your ideas simple to the point according to the question. You can
Yes.
get good bench score. Okay, let's go on. It's your turn, please. Do you like to try new activities?
Yes, I like to try new activity because I am an adventurous person, and
I often.
I often I often try to explore the different activities, and I did parasailing for the first time in Karachi,
Okay.
and firstly I was
All right, now let me go on. What activities would you like to try in the future?
actually actually I
I would like to try.
I would like to try surfing and scuba diving for sometime in the sea
Okay.
and sometime in the sea and
In the
in
future.
in the future I
Okay, this answer is short. Listen. What activities would you like to try in the future? I would love to try scuba diving in my future because I've seen some videos on National Geographic channel. So scuba diving is full of adventure and I'm an adventurous kind of person. Therefore, to answer your question, I would love to try scuba diving whenever I get a chance. Like this, okay? Let's go on. What activities did you do when you were a child?
when I was a child I want I played cricket and
Yeah, I
football.
used to play
I
cricket.
used to play cricket and football, and I would I liked to I liked to swimming in
I
swimming.
loved swimming
I
as well.
loved to swimming as well,
Hmm.
but that time there is no swimming pool in my area.
There was no swimming
There
pool in my
was no
area.
swimming pool in my area, and that's why I got
It's a good idea to talk about a couple of activities and then elaborate them well. Okay, let's go on now. Do you like to try new activities alone or with your friends?
I like to try new activity with my friend because because it is a good way to fun with our friend,
To have fun with
to
friends.
have fun with the friends, and that's why I like to
That's why I like to try
Try
new activities
with
with
my
my
friends.
friends. This is better. So keep your ideas simple. Talk about one or two things, and properly you need to elaborate on that. Then it'll be fine. Okay. Thank you very much indeed. Thanks a lot.